Let's talk weather right now. We're tracking some rainfall along the coastline from Houston to New Orleans. This is as a front lifts to the north. This is some of the rain that's going to be moving our direction as an area of low pressure sitting back towards the southwest right now will quickly race across the midsection of the nation overnight, lifting that warm front north, providing us morning rain, followed by a cold front late day, evening showers and storms. Let's talk timeline. Sunday, 6 a.m. from Hamilton down to Clanton. It's going to be a rainy mess, but south of I-20 is really where we could have some noisy thunderstorms. And hey, I'm not ruling out an isolated thunderstorm that could pack a punch tomorrow morning, but the severe weather threat really is with that second wave. We'll get a bit of a lunchtime break in the wet weather, then by 4 o'clock we'll start to see the return of those thunderstorms. We'll be watching for those isolated supercells a lot like last week. You see that? Moundville over towards Clanton. That's where I really think the hot spot for activity is going to be in our viewing area. As it moves east of I-65, we will still be dealing with a lot of wet weather, but I think by 9 p.m. it's really going to turn into a big rain event for us. So we'll kind of lose the severe weather element, not entirely. It's not a non-zero threat, but we don't need to forget that the flooding rain could also be a big danger that we're faced with tomorrow night. The showers and storms will linger into early Monday morning before we give the all clear for some of that active weather. But then by sunrise Monday, the rain's gone, the sky clears, and temperatures will be nice in the low 70s on Monday. Okay, what does this outlook really mean for you? We're seeing a variety of colors here. Enhanced and moderate risk, really some of the higher categories on a scale of 1 to 5. Enhanced is 3 of 5, and then moderate is a 4 out of 5. So in both categories, tornadoes likely. Okay, large hail and very strong winds are possible, but again, in this slight risk kind of along and north of I-20, it doesn't mean our threat is zero. As I mentioned before, rainfall going to be a big issue. Look at some of these rainfall totals in some spots over the next 24 hours. Upwards of 4 inches possible near Clanton, 2.5 in Alabaster, over 3 in Birmingham. So again, kind of along and south of 20, significant rainfall, but we're still going to see quite measurable rain even north of I-20. Flooding alerts right now, flash flood watch is already in effect for Jefferson County all the way